How to create a flight animation on Google Map. Let's see how to create this kind of animation. To create such animations, first go to the Play Store. Mult.dev animated travel maps. I already have this app installed, now you can install it. Now log into it with any of your Gmail accounts. Look here, but you can only make 10 videos. I already made one. Now delete the default countries. Now select the countries you want to add. Once you are done adding countries, click on the settings option. Wait a minute. Now you can see my video is created. Click download now. Now my video is downloaded, let's see it in the gallery. Look now, my video is saved in the gallery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.